In this video, we'll understand why firms employ workers where MRPL equals MCL. And we know firms traditionally are profit maximizers, okay? And the best way to understand this is, let's use a table and say, let's paste this table over here. And we've got, let's say, a firm employs one worker, okay? And just to put this in the center so it becomes a bit legible, okay? The firm employs one worker, then it employs another worker, then it employs another worker, which is 3, and then it employs the 4th worker. Mm-hmm. Okay? Actually, I can put on worker over here as a heading, so we don't need to have this. And delete columns, right? And we can insert column to the left. And let's say the average wage rate. Mm-hmm. Okay, and is £5, £6, £7, £8. Okay, the insert columns to the left. The total wage bill, again in pounds, is
£5.
£5, yeah.
£12.
£12.
Ooh.
21.
£21, yeah.
Yeah.
And
£32.
yeah.
The marginal cost will be, so I'm making this example as we are learning this. For the second worker would be £7. Mm-hmm. Would be, let's say, £9. 21 less 12, and then 32 less 21 is £9.
And again.
32. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what the firm does is, when they employ these workers, right, additional workers, mm-hmm. they're manufacturing products.
Yeah.
Okay. And okay, and let's say marginal revenue, and this is perfect competition. There is a reason I'm using perfect competition. Can you think why?
The market what? The goose?
For goods, not the goose, but goods. Okay, yeah. The market for goods is perfectly competitive. What does this mean?
Means the demand curve will be horizontal.
Yes, for the commodities, not for the labor.
Yeah.
So this means all goods will be sold at the same
price.
Market price. Okay, and let's say the market price for this commodity is £1.
Okay.
Okay, so marginal revenue would be £1. Let's say we put the pound symbol over here. Okay. Now, going to use the first worker because we're going to look at the additional workers.
Yeah.
If I had put 0 over there, probably I could get away with that.
Mm-hmm. We didn't.
But I didn't. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Now, let's say the second worker adds the marginal product.
Yeah.
Let's say the second worker adds, that's a 15. Okay?
Okay.
Because I'm making this example as we're getting along, so
yeah,
trying to work this out. And let's say the second worker adds 13. Good?
Mm-hmm.
And the first worker adds
9.
11.
Okay.
And we'll also add another worker, so rows below, and just copy this up. So we've got the 5th worker, and let's say to bring the 5th worker, the wage rate is 9. So what would be the total wage?
45.
What would be the marginal cost? 45 less 32?
Yeah.
13. And let's say this worker adds 9 goods. Okay. Now, marginal revenue was the selling price we were talking about, isn't it? Yeah. Now, what we'll do is we'll add.
Oh, dear me.
Yeah, bless you. Right. What we'll do is we'll add the MRPL curve, which is the marginal revenue times the marginal product.
Yeah.
Yep. And now, what would be the marginal revenue product of worker 2?
Is that, hold on, that'd be, is that 6 times 15?
Now, what's the selling price?
1.
What's the marginal product?
15, so it's just 15.
15, well done.
And it's
Let's
13.
put this pounds over here. Let's have closed brackets there. Marginal cost of labor would be in pounds as well. Marginal product, no. Marginal revenue, yes. Marginal revenue product of labor would be in pounds. And we know profit would be in pounds as well. Yeah? So, 15, yeah?
Yeah.
What is the profit that this worker is adding to the firm's total profit?
£3.
No, it would be the revenue it's earning, which is 15 quid. And let me put this color over here. Green. Yep. And the money that's been spent.
Marginal cost, yeah.
Yep. And how much would that be?
That'd be 8.
8. And it's contributing 8, isn't it?
Yeah.
So the total profit is actually going up.
Yes.
Okay. This is the profit. What I'll do is I'll add another column right to it. And I'll say this is cumulative profit.
Right, okay.
Okay. Move it to the left. Yeah. Now, the cumulative profit is plus 8 over here.
Yeah.
And worker number 3, how much money is it bringing in?
13.
13. Yeah. Let's put this all green so you're not lost. And let's
red.
all these red. And make them light red so the numbers are visible. So
Do recent colours. It's in recent colours.
yep, we've got the recent colors. Well done. Well spotted. So how much money is the third worker adding?
4.
So 13 less 9, 4. What's the cumulative profit?
Is 12.
12.
Yeah.
Fourth worker
Making no money. It's making 4.
is making 11 pounds, isn't it?
Yeah.
11 times 1.
But
He's making no profit. Why? Because he's bringing 11 pounds in and he is
costing
11 pounds. So 0. What's the cumulative profit?
12.
Okay. What about the fifth worker?
Making a loss. You're only making 9.
You're ahead of me. Let's
Yeah.
do it.
9.
So he's bringing MRPL 9
Yeah.
pounds. And 13 is being spent. So
Minus
there is a
4.
minus 4. What is the cumulative profit?
8.
So where do you think a prudent entrepreneur or a firm will produce at?
3 workers.
3 workers?
Yeah.
Or at the 4 workers?
What's the point? Because you're not making it. You're just making the same amount of profit.
Very well said. Can you think of another reason why you would be producing over here, where MRPL is equal to MCL or 0? Because of market share.
Oh, increasing market share. So no only maximisation.
And it is very, very difficult to determine these positions. But yeah, you would produce at...
You may produce at 4.
Yeah.
Okay, right.
Okay. And it's over very clearly, this is it's a made up example. In real life, it's a bit more complicated.
Yeah.
We've got 1 units over here. But firms don't produce single units. They don't have single workers. They produce multiple units and they employ hundreds of workers, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. And any questions?
No.
If you've enjoyed my video, subscribe to my channel YouTube Tutor Economics and please click the like button. Thank you.